So, thanks for all the support, viewers and prayers. And I think from yesterday, the smoke has cleared up a bit. So, from the morning to the evening, it has been very hot, and then it starts, and then in the evening it is so rainy, so stormy, so much lightning, so much thunder, everything like a real storm. It's so hot till morning, but now it's super rainy and cold. That's bye-bye. I can see a plane coming right now. I'm not kidding, I can just see a plane. So this flight is going. It's coming up. It's coming up. Man, you can do it. You can do it, man. Yes, you can do it, man. You can do it. It's so busy. All the flights are made because of the snow. Man, there's so many people here. People even have to sit down on the floor. So cloudy out there. We stop. And even down here, there's water because of the rain. Whoa. It's so bad! It's a big puddle. Yeah! Oh! Because it's so foggy. Freeway. When you see the lightning, you can literally hear it. So we had a storm and heavy rain today in London. We're so confused because there's so much fog in the air still. We can hear the thunder roaring. It's so loud! I'm in a sweaty. Oh, and it's trying a lightning to get stuck and make a fire. We heard that where the bushfires were, the rain has gone there and it has been cleared out by the rain. Thank you for your support and prayers. For your prayers that you have given in the comments.